In today's immigration climate, nothing feels guaranteed. The H-1B visa, once the go-to path, now faces caps, lotteries, and constant uncertainty. But when one door closes, another opens. For high achievers, the O-1A visa offers recognition, resilience, and a safer path to the American dream. And that's exactly where Marc's story begins. At 12 years old, walking California's sunlit boardwalks, Marc dreamed of building a life in the U.S. Born in Manchester, UK, he grew fascinated with how goods, data, even tropical fish crossed oceans with precision. That passion launched a global career in logistics. But beyond systems and strategy, Marc believed small improvements could change lives. His dream? To bring that mission to the U.S. Marc achieved what many only imagine: 30-plus countries, groundbreaking systems, global recognition. But behind the accolades was a fear: immigration. One misstep, one denial, and it could all collapse. And it did. His first legal team failed him. The petition was weak. The result: denial. The American dream he carried since childhood was slipping away. After the shock, Marc faced a choice: walk away or fight harder. Could he even qualify again? Doubt crept in, but so did determination. Immigration rules shift, priorities change, even the strongest candidates get caught in the crossfire. But resilience means finding another path. That's when Marc discovered the law offices of Chris M. Ingram. Their message was clear: we believe in you, and we know how to win. From day one, the team rebuilt his case with laser focus. Lindsey, his case manager, became more than a guide. She was a partner. They gathered powerful letters, managed award timelines, and anticipated every risk. Marc waited in Vienna, heart pounding, as the process unfolded. Then the email came. One word stood out: approved. Tears welled. Years of work and sleepless nights had finally paid off. Marc flew back to Manchester, not in defeat, but in celebration. Today, Marc thrives in the U.S., leading innovation, enjoying California's sun, and living the entrepreneurial life he once only imagined. Winning O-1/EB1 cases is never a sure thing. Marc worked hard to build a strong case, and we fought with him until we were confident. If your case is denied, don't panic. Reassess and fight again. Attorney Chris M. Ingram. Marc's story proves your American dream is closer than you think. Don't wait. Visit breakthroughusa.com.